Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a trading disabled on MT5 Exness, how to fix it and start trading again. Now first of all, you need to make sure that you're actually connected to the right server, okay? You cannot go ahead and log into the wrong server with the login and password and it's not going to work. So for example, I'm in Kenya, I use the Kenyan server right here, okay? So you click on it and click on next and make sure you just log in with the correct server you're picking right here. And there's different ones for Kenya as well, so you need to select the right server. Okay, and you need to check your login password. You need to use your main trading password, not the read-only password. And once you're done with this, once you've connected, you actually need to verify your Exness account, because to verify, you need to basically make a first time deposit. If you don't make a first time deposit, your trading is locked. It's disabled. You cannot make trades unless you're using a demo account, okay? And if you still are having issues, then you need to contact Exness support and just check the instrument availability and suffix before you're making the trades, and it should work. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.